Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome to the Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about best digital marketing tools in 2021. So digital marketing is a booming area in which there are ample amount of jobs and that number keeps increasing day by day. So in order to become a digital marketer or in order to get a career in digital marketing, so there are some tools which one need to focus on. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about the top 7 tools in digital marketing that one should focus on. Let's start the video. So the first in the list is HubSpot. So if you want to get a career in digital marketing, then HubSpot is a mandatory and primary skill that one should focus on. So what actually HubSpot? HubSpot CRM is a tool that contains everything that you need in order to market your product, or in order to perform sales on your product. So whatever you do to endorse your product, you need HubSpot. So HubSpot is an inbound marketing tools which also supports sales and customer service. So it is completely an integrated platform where you don't need to install separate dependencies and separate platforms. You can manage all your marketing and sales in single platform, that is HubSpot. So the features in HubSpot include, like, you can integrate all your social media accounts to schedule your posts and to target your ads. You can also connect Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and Facebook ads in a single place, so that you can monitor your ads performance and you can get the data very easily. And you can also create some campaigns, you can save some contacts, you can send automatic emails, and many more. So HubSpot is a single tool that serves all the needs. So yeah, HubSpot is a mandatory and primary tool if you want to be in a area of digital marketing. And number 2 in the list is Canva. So Canva is basically a graphic designing tool that is used to design various graphic content for social media. And yes, if you're a digital marketer, you should be pro in using Canva. So Canva comes with both free trial and paid version. So in free trial, there are some dependencies, some restrictions too, but in pro trial, you can use all of the features of Canva. So what actually Canva does? So it allows you to create posters, thumbnails, and Instagram posts, LinkedIn posts, and presentations, video ads, anything. So you can use Canva as a good advertising platform for to endorse your product. And number 3 in the list is MailChimp. So MailChimp is one of the primary tool that many marketers use for email campaigns. So MailChimp, it was like you can automate entire mailing system. So you can save contacts there and you can use the different templates to send automated mails to your contacts. And yes, it completely serves your purpose when your target is to send mails and get some good responses from them. And yeah, Mailchimp is one of the good software that one can use. And yeah, it was not difficult to learn Mailchimp. When you practice for 2 to 3 days, you get to know that tool easily. And number 4 in the list is Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a service which allows you to track visitors to your website, and you can figure out like how your ads are performing, like how your content in your website is performing, how many visitors are converting in to your leads. And you can also check the demography of your audience. Yeah, you can find out everything that Google can do with the help of Google Analytics platform. And number 5 in the list is SEMrush. SEMrush is a popular SEO tool that digital marketers use to figure out like what keywords to use. So if they are going for keyword research, then SEMrush is a great tool. So which keywords to use in order to promote our product, which questions are mostly searched by customers related to our product. We can get every we can get every info regarding our product with the help of this SEMrush. And number 6 in the list is Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is quite similar to Canva. You can treat it as an alternative to Canva. So with the help of Adobe Spark, you can design posters, you can design some presentations, nice presentation. You can use it to promote your product by creating some beautiful ads in Adobe Spark. So yeah, it was similar to Canva, but it comes with an, it isn't, as it is an Adobe product, you will get some more benefits apart from Canva. And the last one in the list is Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is a famous SEO tool that one can use to get keywords to promote their product. Whether you are doing video marketing, graphic marketing, or content marketing, you need some keywords to target people, and in order to make your content to stay top on the search results, you need Ahref. So you can get all the related queries that people are searching on. You can get all the keywords that people are showing elevated attention to. You can get all these terms in Ahrefs. It is a famous SEO tool that one can use for. And yes, these are all the 7 top tools in digital marketing that one can concentrate on in order to become a digital marketer. I hope this shows the purpose of why you are here. And if you have any doubts regarding digital marketing, please post your please post your questions in the comment section. I will get back to you. And yes, hoping to see you in the next video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.